Constructing your building with a builder for cheap rates. You think you don't need an architect. You think architects just charge for name. Then go sir go, you will get it soon when your building getting dampness, when there will be no aesthetic element, or when you get a block, not the building. Yes, do watch this video to know why you need an architect. We are architects who work for you and for your betterment. We never charge for the name. Do you know how hard to get the architect degree and what we do for 5 years to get it? No, you cannot imagine how we work and what things happens with us. How we make the building. You think we just check the Google and create the building for you? No, it's never happened. We first see the client necessity, his or her needs, their daily routine, or more things to develop the building. We try to minimize the client's money as much as possible. Now your question is here, how we minimize the client money? Yes, we do this by using the proper materials, the function of the house, and in the long term you get to know, yes, you take the right decision for hiring an architect. We give our whole night and day for the building, try to give each and everything which is possible at the affordable prices or client necessity. We are experts in creating spaces according how you live, you sleep, and also the things you do in your daily routine. Where to give private spaces, or we develop form with the nature of building. We keep the future in mind, the necessary changes for future development. And one big request from you, that if your relative is an architect, never ask him for free plans or give ideas for free. This is his job and he worked hard to get his degree. So please, before you speak for a plan, just ask him how much he will cost and respect his work. If he is in your relation, surely he will do concession for you, but please ask from your side what would be the cost. Thank you guys for watching. Please respect the job, it will surely create a value.